how do I get away from like the desserts? Like I have a sweet tooth and there's just certain times of day that I can't get away from it. There's an awesome way around this. So when I read all the messages that people send to me, I often get the question, how do I get away from like the desserts? Like I have a sweet tooth and there's just certain times of day that I can't get away from it. There's an awesome way around this. So what I do, my wife and I, whenever we're out at like a phenomenal dinner, we look at the dessert menu. I shouldn't say whenever, because obviously if we, like one of the two of us has like a photo shoot coming up, we don't do this. She's a professional model, by the way. So when we go to a nice restaurant, we make sure we look at the dessert menu. And when we look at the dessert menu, if there's something on there that one of us tends to like, we order it and we eat the whole thing. Now, keep in mind, this is at super high-end places that we know have great desserts, like Michelin star restaurants. And it seems wasteful. Like, why would you go spend money on junk food? It's because when you have the best of the best of like a dessert type of thing, you really can't go back and eat like a Hershey's chocolate bar. Like if you've had something amazing at a Michelin star restaurant, like you're not going to have anything better than that really anywhere other than there. So like, how often do you go to places like that? I mean, typically it's not even easy to find places like that. Most cities have one or two restaurants that fit that description, and it's not like you're going there all the time. So what happens is you get accustomed to only eating the best stuff, which you can almost never find. So now you don't want it anymore. That's the tool. That's what you do. Every time somebody says to me, oh, you know, don't you want a piece of that cake or something like that? It's like, nah, you know, I had a cake at whatever, last time I was in Vegas at Mastro's, and it was the best thing I ever had, and no way that's beating it, you know, because it comes from the grocery store or something like that. You condition yourself to appreciate something that's just hard to find. It's just, from a mathematical standpoint, you win. If you have any comments about this, if you want to tell me I'm wrong, tell me in the comments. If you want to tell me I'm right, also do that. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm going to put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're going to help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.